What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking this out. Today we're going to make something very simple. Some chicken fajitas. It's simple, but you can impress your friends because it looks like something that's kind of difficult. But you could make this meal in under an hour from beginning to end. So here we go. All right, like I said, this is a very simple recipe. You just need a few simple ingredients. First is bell peppers. I used a bunch of different colored bell peppers, but you really only need the green ones. Some onions, some raw chicken, and some chicken marinade. I put this together. It's basically just olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, some Lari seasoning salt, and a couple other secret spices that I'm not gonna tell you yet. I don't know you that well yet. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is season the chicken because everybody knows there's nothing worse than unseasoned chicken. So I'm going to take the marinade that I put and mix it with the chicken. You want to make sure that you work all of the seasoning into the chicken. I took some of the bell peppers and onions and I cut them into smaller pieces. We're going to add that to the chicken. Work that in. If I was a more professional cook, I'd probably be flipping it like they do it, but I don't know how to do it, so I got to do it with my hands. Now you want to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. If you don't have an extra 30 minutes, you can cook it right away, but it tastes better when you let it sit for a little while. The best type of pan to cook any meat in is a cast iron pan because it distributes the heat evenly. So I'm gonna use a cast iron pan today. I've already got a little bit of oil in it. It's getting hot. You want to make sure you don't overcook the chicken, but you also want to make sure you don't undercook it as well. Remember, chicken needs to be cooked to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of the biggest pieces of chicken and you want to put this thermometer right through the middle and try to get as close to the middle of the piece of chicken as you can. And right now it's right at about 140. I put a little blue dot on my thermometer so I know when it hits 165. You're gonna add the colored bell peppers and the onions because if you add them when you first start cooking, they're all gonna overcook. So make sure that you wait until about 3 minutes before you're serving the fajitas to add the bell peppers and the onions. While this chicken is cooking, I'm going to tell you about the fajita effect. It was brought on by Chili's, the restaurant chain, who some people say invented the fajitas. They say anytime a fajitas comes out, that other people are going to see it and smell it, and then they're going to order fajitas. So part of that effect is the presentation. So you can see it's not sizzling as much as you see in the restaurants, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So to make it sizzle and to impress your friends, all you got to do is add a little bit of water. As a side note, you could easily substitute the chicken for steak or shrimp, or if you're a vegetarian, you could just use the bell peppers, add some mushrooms or whatever it is you vegetarians eat. A nice piece of chicken, grate me a little bit of cheese, a little bit of bell pepper, put a red one up. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God. My goodness. Chicken is tender, the bell peppers are crunchy. I don't even like onions and I just ate an onion. Oh, this is good. I learned from my Filipino friends, you can eat rice with your hands. I'm usually pretty clean, but I made a fucking mess today. Look at this shit. Got shoes everywhere, stuff everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna clean right now. I just do that all right now.